indigenous to us since the dawn of historic times, preserved and transmitted in every nook and corner of this civilized world. Almost all